Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2563. Count the number of fair pairs, and in this we are given a 0 next integer and nums of size n and two integers lower and upper, and we have to return the number of fair pairs and a pair I of I comma j is valid if 0 is less than or equal to I which is j which is less than n, and lower of nums I plus nums j is less than of or equal to upper. Okay, so for example we're given nums as 0 1 7 4 4 5 and lower is 3 and upper is 6, so we have to return all the pairs whose sum is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 6. So the pairs are the add thing like 0 comma 3 0 comma 4 and then 1 comma 4 yeah 1 comma 3 sorry 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 5. Okay, because these will sum up to yeah 4 and then again a 4 5 and then 1 comma 4, yeah, then again a 5 and then 1 comma 6. Yeah, so all of these are valid. Okay, so for this firstly what we'll have to do is we'll have to sort the nums array. Arrays dot sort nums and then what we'll be doing is I'll be returning let's say I'm having solve function, and this I'll be passing the nums array and I'll be passing the upper plus 1, basically finding all the pairs with the sum upper plus 1 or greater than upper plus 1 minus the solve function with nums and lower, and it will give me my answer. Now let's write function, that is private long solve. In this we are having int nums and int val. Okay, now let's have two pointers, which is left is equal to 0 and right is equal to nums dot length minus 1. Okay, now let's have long answer, which is equal to 0, and then while left is less than right, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking I'll be firstly calculating the sum, and sum which is equal to nums of left plus nums of right. Okay, then what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my sum is less than the val, then I'll be incrementing my answer by answer minus left, oh sorry, right, why I'm like answer should be right minus left, and then I'll be incrementing my left, else I'll have to decrement my right boundary, so right minus minus, and at that I'll return answer. Now let's give it a run. Cannot find again nums. Now let's give it a run again, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching.